How to connect your PS5 controller to an iPhone or an iPad. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bluetooth to wirelessly connect your PlayStation 5 controller to any iPhone or iPad. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is put our PlayStation 5 controller in Bluetooth pairing mode. And we can quickly do that by holding down the PlayStation button and this button on the left here, just until you see the blue flashing. You'll kind of see it around the edges right here. Now it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. On your phone, open up the settings and then navigate to Bluetooth. From there, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you should see DualSense wireless controller. Select that. If it's no longer there, make sure that your controller is still in Bluetooth pairing mode. And once it actually connects to your phone, the lights will turn orange, as you can see. Once you've done that, you can then open up the game you want to play, and your controller will automatically start working, where it'll start controlling it just like it would on a PlayStation 5. Once you're done playing, to disconnect your PlayStation 5 controller from your iPhone or iPad, open up the settings and go back to Bluetooth, then just find DualSense wireless controller and select the I next to it. You have two options here. You can either select disconnect or forget this device. I recommend forget this device if you have any issues with the controller reconnecting to your iPhone instead of connecting to your PlayStation 5. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so that's how you connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.